Welcome to Next Era Vision. Today, we're taking you inside one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements. This is the incredible story of how a modern airplane is built. Every year, thousands of airplanes carry billions of passengers around the world. But have you ever wondered where these flying giants come from? Every airplane begins with an idea. Engineers first decide the aircraft's purpose, passenger capacity, range, and fuel efficiency.
Powerful computer software creates an exact three-dimensional model where every bolt, wire, and panel is carefully designed.
Before a real airplane is built, advanced simulations test how it performs during storms, turbulence, and extreme temperatures. Once every test is successful, production finally begins inside one of the world's largest aircraft factories. The aircraft is built using lightweight aluminum, titanium, and advanced carbon fiber composites for maximum strength and efficiency. These raw materials are precisely cut by powerful computer-controlled laser machines with incredible accuracy. Massive hydraulic presses shape each metal panel into the exact curves needed for the airplane's body. Meanwhile, enormous aircraft wings are manufactured separately, using advanced composite materials and robotic technology.
Every wing contains fuel tanks, electrical wiring, hydraulic systems, and sophisticated flight control mechanisms.
The fuselage is built in several large sections before being transported to the final assembly line. Gigantic cranes carefully lift each section into place. Engineers ensure perfect alignment, down to the smallest millimeter. Thousands of high-strength rivets permanently connect the aircraft structure, creating an incredibly strong airframe. With the main body complete, the aircraft is finally ready for its most important components: the engines, cockpit, and landing gear. Now it's time to install the heart of the airplane, the jet engines. These powerful engines generate the enormous Each modern turbofan engine contains more than 30,000 precision-engineered parts working together at incredible speeds. Inside the engine, air is compressed, mixed with fuel, ignited, and expelled to create powerful thrust that pushes. After the engines are installed, technicians connect thousands of electrical cables, hydraulic pipes, and fuel lines.
Every connection is carefully inspected, because even the smallest mistake could affect flight safety.
Next comes the landing gear, one of the strongest parts of the airplane, designed to safely support hundreds of tons during takeoff. Each landing gear is tested under extreme pressure to ensure it can withstand thousands of landings throughout its lifetime. Now the cockpit begins to take shape. This is where pilots will control one of the world's most advanced flying machines. The cockpit contains hundreds of electronic systems that constantly monitor every part of the aircraft during flight. Inside the cabin, workers install passenger seats, overhead compartments, lighting systems, and emergency equipment. Air conditioning, oxygen systems, and entertainment screens are added to provide comfort and safety for every passenger. Thousands of electronic sensors are installed. They are throughout the airplane, constantly monitoring engine performance, temperature, and flight. Before painting begins, every surface is cleaned and carefully prepared to ensure a perfect finish. Powerful robotic spray systems apply several protective layers of paint, protecting the aircraft from corrosion and harsh weather. With construction complete, the aircraft now enters its most critical phase: inspection, testing, and preparation. The aircraft is now complete, but before carrying a single passenger, it must pass hundreds of strict safety inspections. Every bolt, every wire, and every electronic system is carefully checked to ensure absolute safety and reliability. Next, the aircraft's electrical systems are powered on for the very first time, bringing the airplane to life. Now comes the first engine start. thousands of components begin working together with incredible precision. The aircraft slowly moves onto the runway. This is for taxi testing. Here, pilots verify steering and brakes. They also After all ground tests are successful, the airplane prepares for its very first flight. With full power applied, the aircraft accelerates. It accelerates rapidly down the runway. Before lifting gracefully, experienced test pilots perform steep turns, climbs, descents, and emergency procedures to evaluate every system.
The airplane is also tested in extreme weather conditions to prove it can safely operate around the world.
Engineers analyze thousands of flight data points collected during every second of the test flight. Once every requirement is successfully completed, aviation authorities officially certify the aircraft for commercial service. The finished airplane is then delivered to its airline, ready to begin serving millions of passengers. Within days, the aircraft begins its first commercial journey, connecting people, cultures, and countries across. Behind every successful flight are millions of carefully engineered parts and the dedication of thousands of skilled professionals. From design to flight, every airplane is a masterpiece of science, and subscribe and join us for incredible documentaries.
Thanks for watching. This is Next Era Vision, bringing you the world's most incredible stories, hidden wonders, and amazing discoveries. Subscribe now and never miss the next adventure.